In this ukulele video, we're going to do something pretty cool. This is 3 non-island strum patterns. Kind of. You have to see the whole video to know exactly what I'm talking about. When you think of strumming on ukulele, so many times you think of the island strum. Don't get me wrong. I call it the granddaddy strum because it is a super, super important rhythm to know. It's that one that's going to save you from a lot of things. But, there's other strum patterns. I'm going to go over 3 of them here. We're going to do a simple progression of just C, F, C, and G7. Okay, we're going to do that. The first strum pattern is this. Don't overlook the simple things, right? This one is not overly complicated. Just going to start with the C chord. Each chord here is going to get a measure. It's going to go down, 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 up. Okay, and that's the first half. And then you're going to do that again. Down, 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 up. Counting-wise, just 1, 2, and a 3, 4 to the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C, 2, G7. All right, so there's one. Number 2 is going to be like this. Now, the island strum is very close to that, but this is not the island strum, okay? All this is going to be like this. On your C chord, again, each chord gets one measure. Down, up, tie, up, down, up. That's it. That's it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... All right, so let's do that with the progression. Ready, and... By the way, we're going to do all 3 of these a little bit faster. The third one's going to be a variation of what we just did. It's going to sound like this. It's going to be, matter of fact, it's exactly the same, except you're going to add 2 mutes, and these are palm mutes on beats 2 and 4. So it's going to, if I do it slowly, down, up, mute, up, mute, up. And that's the whole rhythm. These are just all 8th notes. So down, up, mute, up, mute, up. All right, so let's do that with, by the way, when I said palm mute, that means this part of the hand is striking the strings to get that muted sound, okay? All right, so let's try this now with the progression. Ready, and... All right, so those are the 3 patterns. What I want to do is just revamp each one, but I want to liven it up a little bit. It's kind of boring at that slow tempo, so we're going to liven each one up a little bit. 1. So let's go back to the first one. 2, 3, and... All right, now the second one. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, and then the last one, same tempo, but add the mutes. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, so that's going to do it. That's going to do 3 cool strum patterns. Get them down, write them out, and then when you're next time you're playing one of your songs, stop playing the island strum. Don't do it. Island strum's gone. We're out of here. And try any of these 3. They're going to work really well and make you sound cool and a little different than what everyone else is doing. So, all right, that's it. Appreciate you being here. See you next time.